Hi, my name's Ian with the Inside Sales Department at Ohio Power Tool. Here today to talk to you about some of the April 2019 promos we have going on at ohiopowertool.com. We're already in the RIDGID section, so let's start talking about the big one we got going on, which this is the last month of the RIDGID Spring Fling. For you guys that aren't aware of the RIDGID equipment, this is the only time of the year they usually throw in free goods. So right now, if you have been looking at some of the inspection cameras, it's a great time. If you go with the larger camera as well as a larger monitor, they are throwing in a NaviTrack Scout for free, which that's about saving about $1,500, which is a great deal. Now, if you aren't looking at the larger ones, kind of had an interest in the micro drain, micro reel, you know, the nano reel, they are throwing in a free CA350 monitor. So this gets you up and running. This is going to save you just over $500 in cost. These are all rebate deals, but we are able to offer them instantly and ship them with your products that you are purchasing. So you don't have to wait the 6 to 8 weeks. We can ship it so you're up and running with a new reel. Now, if you don't care about the cameras, more interested into the drain cleaning, not only are they doing it for their drums, but also their sectional machines. They are throwing in free cables with those purchases. We're gonna move on next over to the Milwaukee section, talk about some of the deals they have going on. Just like RIDGID, they are offering e-rebates for a lot of their plumbing equipment, such as press tool, the PEX extension, and draining cleaning equipment. Again, this is a rebate done through Milwaukee themselves. Now, as for the other promos that we have going, that are instant deals shipped from Ohio Power Tool, they have the SDS Plus cordless kits. Any of the fuel SDS Plus cordless kits, they are throwing in a free grinder. Now, if you were looking at upgrading to the larger SDS Max, that free grinder actually gets upgraded to the kit with battery and charger. So that is a nice deal if you've been looking at some of those. One that's created a bit of confusion is the $150 off the Sawzall. When you purchase a select kit, they're not really giving you the Sawzall for free, but they are giving it at a discounted cost. Last one we're gonna hit on is the 12 amp hour battery for free. With purchase of either the miter saw kit or the 3-piece combo kit, you get yourself a free 12 amp hour battery. Now, if you've been looking at that miter saw, not too sure if that 9 amps gonna get you running all day, they're gonna be throwing in this 12, which is gonna kind of help you out get through the day there. So that's just a few deals from Milwaukee. There's a lot more at ohiopowertool.com. We will be providing a link below that you can check out. But for right now, let's go over to Makita, see what they are offering for the month of April. For Makita, we're gonna focus mainly on their combo kits. Any of their 3-piece or 2-piece combo kits, they are throwing in free 5 amp hour batteries. Now, some of the kits are only coming with 4 amp hour batteries, and with those, you're only gonna get one free of the 5 amp hour. The kits that have the 5 amp hours already included, you're actually gonna get a 2-pack, so that's gonna be a total of 4 batteries. Now, the 3-piece is the hammer drill, impact driver, and Sawzall, or just the hammer drill and impact driver. Moving on, they also are throwing in a free circular saw for their 4-piece combo kit. Now, that's gonna be the 6.5, all the LXT. You're already getting the 5 amp hour batteries with that kit, so they're just throwing another tool right on top of it. All right, last promo we're gonna focus on is gonna be with all the X2 kits. So this is gonna be any of the tools that take 2 of the batteries. They are throwing in a free impact driver with those. Not as exciting as, you know, some of the other deals, but still, hey, free's free. All right, thank you for taking the time to watch a quick overview of the April 2019 promos we have going on at ohiopowertool.com. For all you local customers, feel free to stop in, check out our new Stihl display, as well as some local promotions we have going on with Stihl and with Bosch. Now, if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to leave comments below. We will be providing links as well to what we talked about today. Plus, there's a lot more at ohiopowertool.com. Be sure to like and subscribe because next month, the month of May, we're gonna have a lot more promotions to talk about.